Kiss me too.
Where are you going? Come back here. You're going in there.
I'll do it when we talk.
No, you come in here and talk.
Who told you not to talk?
Talk on the phone, silly.
Hi. You buy it already. Why too? Yeah? Today? No. I ate mine. What's a mine? What has a mine? I said turbo. Turbo. I said turbo. I'm going to get cut.
No!
We're going in the other room.
Are you done talking to him?
I'll
Do you
talk.
want me to talk to him? Let me talk to him.
I kill him. I got nothing more. Peter. I get Gooba too. But I say I like Gooba.
All I hear is Goomba.
Hey Gooba. I say guys, hey Gooba. If you get your Gooba is home.
I used to tell him the same story that happened between the two of them.
Mom.
And then I said, hey Goomba. He said, I'm not a Goomba.
That's my fault. No, you Gooba. No, you Gooba.
I'd laugh if you took like 10 minutes ago.
You
And she's
Gooba.
just like talking to nobody.
You
No, I think I
Gooba.
know, but...
You Gooba. I get down.
Okay.
I want to go.
Can I talk to him,
No.
please? Can I please?
No.
Well, don't talk in the phone if you're talking to me. Can I talk to him?
I talk Gooba.
I know you are, but can I talk to Goomba?
No. Yeah.
Yeah? Thank you. Hello? Hi.
I
know.
Gooba. I talk Gooba.
I know you talked to Goomba. Good job.
I talk Gooba.
She wants to talk to you more, but I think we're done. Okay. You didn't just wake up, did you? Oh. Okay. Well, I can let you go back to your things now.